Hello traders out there in Traderland, my name is D7 here at Grok Trade, and it's Hump Day Wednesday, March 7th, 2018, and the markets in the day mix. Really bear start of the session today, however, we rallied back. We've been seeing that a lot lately, markets dropping first thing in the morning, and a lot of buyers coming in buying up that weakness, usually a bullish sign. Let's take a look here at the markets. We're up in the NASDAQ, up in Russell's, up. The Russell's up, small caps up 0.9%, very, very good. Financials slightly lower, crude oil down 2% almost, gold down, silver down 1.6%. VIX, though, fear dropping by more than 3%. Bitcoin off by 8%, and GBTC off by 8%. All right, taking a look here at the spiders. The spiders daily chart. We've been, if you look at the two blue trend lines, we've been in this huge symmetrical triangle. Now the triangle is pitching together even more. Guys, I'm expecting a significant pop to the upside, or it could be a big drop to the downside. This is coiling all the major moving averages coming together here. Look for a big move. It is darn near imminent. Okay, a couple levels I'm looking at on this spider is this swing low right there coming across this number up here, this number for the swing high. Any breakout above that number or any breakout below this number, now that we're contained in the apex, that explosion up or down should have a continuation to the upside, especially if it goes higher. Any movement, any print above 278 should keep going, because it will break past this blue one. Coming down, we do have support down here at this level before we were to get to this level down there. A lot of pitching, a lot of movement potential happening in the near future, and that is projected. The diamonds, the Dow, same thing. Big symmetrical triangle. Now it's pinching. If you'll notice that we did not come down and hit the support, that's relatively strong. I see that we have a decent chance of heading higher. However, it's anybody's guess on what direction the markets will go. But if you look at the bigger picture here, we go up. We're building this huge pennant at the top of this leg. So that's telling me we just have a lot of things pointing to the upside, which in fact, again, it's anybody's guess really what direction it would go. The markets can do anything it wants to. But if I had to pick one way or the other, which I don't, I always played the direction that it's heading. If I had to pick, I would say right now the chances are to the bull side. NASDAQ is up. It's pinching right at the, look for a big move. A couple things here, guys. A couple things. So we hit support, resistance. We did not hit support. We bounced early. We're above major moving averages. We have bullish candlesticks heading higher here. Do you see this? Where we gap down, we run higher, we gap down, we run higher. Today we gap down, we run higher. People are buying up that weakness, and I expect this to keep moving northbound. Small caps doing the best. See, small caps was already in a symmetrical triangle. It had already came and didn't hit the support level. It went up to resistance, and the last 2 days it's popped higher. Because of this, I think that we have a very good chance that the markets as a whole will follow what the small caps are doing to the upside. So watch for a movement to the upside. I think that it's fairly probable for that to happen. Here are the financials. We go down, up. Financials in a symmetrical triangle, but we're hanging out on a support level. But let's see if we can break out to the upside. If so, the markets will in fact follow that for sure. US dollar, I got a buy on it, comes up. It's been pulling back, but I'm going to stay with my buy on this one. I'm going to stay with my buy. Crude oil is in this huge symmetrical triangle. Guys, went down, touched support, came right back up. I'm telling you guys, this thing is poised for a big pop. Be ready for it. Be ready for a significant move one direction or the other. I love these triangles. Gold, we're pinching also. Gold, we got a pinching pattern. I didn't put a sell on today. Or should I? Hold on. Should I put a sell on today? Oh boy. You know what? I'm going to. I'm gonna put a sell on gold, but that could turn around and pop on me, and I'll have to change it. Silver, yeah, I'll put a sell on that one, but we're at support. That could bounce. I hate doing the buy and sell game inside consolidation, inside the triangle, but I'm kind of forced to. You gotta play it to the direction it's heading, but we're at major support. There's a good chance this gold and silver are actually gonna bounce tomorrow. VIX, let's go there. Fear, put a sell on a few days ago. We are dropping lower there. Bitcoin, yesterday had a sell on it, and today big sell off. Big sell off on Bitcoin, and it did break a trend line. You can see that right there. And when it broke that, I had to put a sell on it, and there's continuing south. But it's still within this huge symmetrical triangle. It could drift down here to about 7,700 area and then rally. So there you are, my friends. So as usual, well, in 10 days or so, we have a mentorship. It's 3 days, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Not sure if you fit the mold on this being a class that's right for you or not. It is quite comprehensive, and it is how to make money in the markets, trading at a professional level. If you want more information on that 3-day course, and it's done online, you can send a text to this number, but make sure you put your name, make sure you put your email address, and we'll get you more information on that. There you have it. You guys are great. Thanks for all the comments. I love seeing those. Take care, and we'll catch you guys later.